Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Dante. Today we're going to go over 3 refrigerators that I dislike working on. First one being this one right here. My biggest complaint about it is getting down here to the freezer to work on it. If you look over here, if I need to get to our fans in the back to check cooling, I got to remove all these drawers, get my body in here and kind of lift this back panel up. I'm a little bit bigger, so it's kind of a tough spot for me to get into. Not the most comfortable, not the most ideal. I like a door I can just take off real nice and easy and be set. And then we go to this one right here. Has the door I like, it's easy to take off, not an issue, but we move up to our hub, our display right here. More chances for things to go wrong. There's more wires. Wires can break inside, which then you're gonna have issues all throughout. Another thing is getting it out can really be a pain, and you don't want to damage it. It's quite an expensive piece that you don't want to really break. Then we're going to go over here to my final fridge I dislike for the same exact reason. Same similar display, same issues that it's going to arise. Your wires can break, the display in the board or in the board itself can go out, and then once you have to remove it, it could be a whole process. It could be really complicated and kind of frustrating due to the fact that you don't want to break this glass right here. Those are the 3 fridges I dislike working on. Remember to like and subscribe this video and come back next week.